it's Kows. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really nice, chic, I think it's pretty chic, turban style, a high bun turban style. So it's really easy and it's been my current obsession. So if you guys want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. So guys, to begin this turban tutorial, I went ahead and placed the scarf on my head. As you guys can see, my scarf is pretty tiny and pretty thin, so I don't have to fold it in half, which is a bonus. If you do have a bigger scarf though, you can just fold that in half and it works just fine. So as you guys can see, the scarf is on my head and the scarf is, or both sides are about the same length. Go ahead and take the two sides and just go ahead and tie a knot in the back. Before I forget to mention it, I do have a bonnet on underneath this. My hair is in a high bun and I do have a scrunchie on just for some more volume because my hair at the moment is twisted and it's looking kind of flat. So, you know, if you don't have a scrunchie though, you can just take a light scarf and just wrap that around your head. So once we have the scarf tied in the back, we're just going to go ahead and take one of the sides. I'm going to go ahead and take my right side and I'm going to fold it in half so we don't have a lot of like, I don't know, I just like clean. Like, I just like my turbans to look clean, and if you don't fold it, it doesn't look as clean. But I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on top. I'm gonna mess with it until I get my desired look. I don't like that much folds, like I just said. I love a clean look. So I'm gonna pull on it and tuck that in underneath. Yeah, so this is the first step. It's really easy, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take the second side, folding it in half again, and I'm just gonna place that directly on top of my bun. And I'm just gonna play with it until I get the desired look, and I'm gonna pull on it really tight and tuck that underneath. So as you guys can see, it's such a simple turban style. It does, I mean, it can take you a second to get it right, and it also depends on the type of scarf you're using. But yeah, it's really easy and it's really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these huge earrings because, you know, why not? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with hoops for a while. I've been obsessed with them, but like, I don't know, I'm becoming an addict. Like, they just keep getting bigger and bigger. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think down below. But yeah, bye!